What if your smart TV is watching you, even when you're not watching it? This isn't science fiction, this is the real cost of convenience in 2025. Before you sit down for your next Netflix binge, let's talk about how your television might be the most curious thing in your living room. In this video, I'll reveal the hidden tracking features inside your smart TV, show you how companies are profiting off your viewing habits, and walk you through step-by-step solutions to take back your privacy without losing the features you paid for. Let's start with something you probably didn't expect. Your smart TV isn't just a screen, it's a data collection device. Every time you turn it on, it's analyzing what you watch, how long you watch, and even when you switch channels. That's called behavioral profiling, and it's built into most smart TVs sold today. The backbone of this surveillance is something called automatic content recognition, ACR. This software identifies any content playing on your screen, even if you're using a USB stick, gaming console, or cable box. It recognizes logos, colors, sound patterns, and sends that info to advertisers. Here's where it gets even sneakier. You might think, okay, it's just TV shows, no big deal. But that data reveals more than you think. What you watch says a lot about your age, income level, political views, family dynamics, even your emotional state. And guess what? You probably agreed to this. When you first set up the TV and clicked accept on that long terms and conditions page, you gave permission, even if you didn't read a word of it. They're counting on that. If your TV has a microphone or camera, and many do, your privacy risks go beyond data collection. Voice recognition features keep microphones always on by default. And if you have gesture control, there might be a camera watching you, even in standby mode. Stick around, in a minute, I'll show you the exact settings to turn off to block these features. But first, let's talk about a real case that shocked the tech world. Back in 2017, Vizio was caught collecting data from over 11 million TVs without proper consent. They were tracking users' content, including DVDs and cable, and selling the data to marketing firms. The result? A $2.2 million fine by the FTC. And they're not alone. Samsung admitted that its voice recognition system could capture personal conversations and transmit them to third-party services. Their own privacy policy once warned users not to discuss personal or sensitive information near the TV. So what can you do? First, head to your privacy settings and look for anything labeled viewing information, ACR, smart interactivity, and voice services. Turn them all off. You'll still be able to watch everything, just without feeding a data machine. Second, disable voice recognition and camera access if you're not actively using them. If your TV doesn't let you disable the MIC, consider disconnecting it from the internet completely and using a separate streaming stick instead. Devices like Apple TV, Roku, or Amazon Fire Stick give you more privacy control, and they tend to be better at telling you exactly what data they are collecting. Some even let you block tracking entirely. Still not enough? Here's a pro tip: set up a guest network on your home Wi-Fi. Connect all your smart devices, including your TV, to that network. That way, if one device gets compromised, your main devices stay protected. Also, don't skip those software updates. Every time your TV prompts you to update, it's not just about new apps, it's often patching security vulnerabilities that hackers could use to break in. In a few seconds, I'll also show you how to check whether your smart TV has hidden always-on microphones you didn't know about. It's buried in the user manual, but I'll make it simple. Let's not forget, your TV is just one part of your connected ecosystem. If your phone, tablet, and TV are all talking to each other, any weak link can expose your whole digital life. That's why securing your TV isn't optional anymore, it's essential. So are you being watched? Possibly. But the bigger question is, do you want to let it keep happening? Because the moment you take control of your TV settings, you reclaim control of your living room and your peace of mind. If this video helped open your eyes, hit that like button and drop a comment below. My privacy matters. And don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps us keep making smart, simple content that actually protects your digital life.